Hey everyone, this is Vaishnavi Boora and you are watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. So we are going to talk about how we can target love handles, and I'm going to show you the exercises that will help you to shape up and tone up your sides and love handles. So people often ask me, Vaishnavi, I want to reduce fat from lower abdominal, I want to reduce my sides. So guys, I would like to say that there is nothing such as spot reduction. You have to work for it and your nutrition should be on point. So let's get started. And the first exercise is boot chops. So this exercise you can do with dumbbells or without dumbbells. So the advanced level can do it with dumbbells. I'm going to show you without dumbbells. You have to do it like this way and 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm going to show you with dumbbells. So here I am taking 2.5 kg dumbbells. Hold it with both hands and just go down and so you have to do both sides. So this exercise will build power and strength in your core and in your abdominal muscles. So now the second exercise is Russian twist. So this exercise engages abdominal muscles including the rectus abdominis, both the internal and external obliques. So this exercise can be performed with dumbbells and without dumbbells. So here I'm going to show you without dumbbells. So first you have to place your foot down, sit back and so now to increase the intensity and the level, you can keep your foot up, take 2.5 kg dumbbell and just perform it. Make sure you keep your core tight and engaged. Now the third exercise is heel touches. So this exercise works primarily on rectus abdominis and transverse, and it's a great exercise for love handles and for obliques. So let's get started. Keep your core tight and engaged and so your head should be up, your core should be tight, and just do it properly. Now the fourth and the last exercise is plank with hip twist. So in this exercise you have to place your hands under your shoulder, feet joined together, and keep your core tight, engaged, and twist it both sides, belly button tight. So all these exercises you have to perform 3 sets with 12 to 15 repetitions. And along with your other exercise, you can include this exercise in your daily routine and perform it thrice or twice a week to get the results. And if you are consistent with your workout, with your nutrition, within 4 weeks you will get visible changes in your body, and you will definitely improve in your obliques, in your sides and the love handles. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.